Now that you've built a solid understanding of AI, what it is, how we train these systems, and have dipped your toes into the vast and rapidly evolving world of generative AI, it's time to take the next step. It's time to learn how to harness the power of large language models, LLMs, to make your life more efficient, to acquire new skills, and ultimately to make your everyday tasks smarter. But before we dive in, let me emphasize one crucial point. No matter what your job is, where you are in life, or what challenges you face, I believe these models have the potential to be incredibly useful to you. They are called general models for a reason. They can adapt and apply to virtually any field or task. Whether you're a student in school, a community leader, a seasoned professional, or a retiree exploring new interests, these tools have something to offer. From my own daughter to my pastor, from my mother to former CEOs of major companies like Google and Goldman Sachs, people from all walks of life are finding these tools invaluable. And I can guarantee that you will too, as long as you approach them with an innovative mindset, a willingness to explore, and the resilience to keep going even when the answers aren't perfect. With that said, let's dive into the fundamentals of prompting, explore some best practices, and discover the areas where LLMs truly excel. This quote from Albert Einstein perfectly sets the stage for our discussion on prompting in AI. Just as Einstein highlights the power of asking the right questions to solve problems effectively, the same principle applies in the world of large language models, LLMs. The prompts you craft are the key to unlocking the full potential of these models. The quality and clarity of your questions directly influence the quality of the responses you'll get. So, let's dive in and learn how to ask the right questions to get the best results.